Welcome to the Alpha Zignals Portfolio. And what can this portfolio offer you? Well, our free and premium versions offer global stock coverage, which are UK and Canadian stocks. We also offer real-time updates for US stocks. We have multi-currency support, so that if you trade where you're buying, say, a stock on the London Stock Exchange, the portfolio will show not just the capital returns on that stock, but also any effect of the exchange rate, foreign currency exchange rate, in the returns. This extends the portfolio statistics, so you can see how your current holdings are, how they value, what their valuations are, the profits are, what the total value of your portfolio is. This extends into the graphical performance, so you can see we show cash equity, drawdown, and also annual returns, which can be drilled down to month, and also individual stocks for any given month. There's also pie charts showing distribution of your portfolio into the various equities you might have, but also into different sectors and foreign exchange where relevant. Free users and premium users can also import their Seek and Alpha portfolio, and premium members also have the ability to manually enter trades, in addition to importing a CSV file which they may have converted from their broker account. Premium portfolio users also get access to premium alerts, charts and screener at no extra cost. And just to show an example of importing our Seek and Alpha portfolio, well, this is the example of the trades as they appear on your dashboard. When you actually select the import Seek and Alpha portfolio, these two trades will appear here. You can enter the date they were purchased, the price, and the quantity. And to do this, you simply all have to click on the cell to edit the values, and when complete, you select import. If you're entering a manual trade, you obviously can put in your stock symbol here, the date of the transaction, the price. You can also have text entries for both broker and comment. So if you have a reason for that particular trade, you can enter it here. Any commission values, the number of shares traded, and simply enter a buy or sell. If you're importing a CSV portfolio, you'll see the CSV import button here. If you click on that, you're taken to an import wizard, and from that you can then select the file or the format, assuming that it's in CSV, and you'll see if it's correctly formatted. And this is an example of a Ameritrade spreadsheet. You will then directly import into the portfolio. And when you're studying the portfolio performance, this is some of the graphical examples. This is the cash equity curve, and you can see when you actually roll over any given day, you can see the value, the cash holdings, and indeed any short or long gains you may have. If you look at the monthly returns, you can see for any given month how the portfolio has performed. If you actually click on any one of these months, you get a further drill down. And if you're looking at the pie charts, you can actually see what your current holdings are with respect to sector or indeed by stock. And here's the example of the drill down returns. So we're looking at, for each year, if we drill into 2008, we can see the returns by month. And if we actually go in again into December here, we can see for each stock what the actual returns were. This is what the portfolio will actually look like. You can see you put the manual trades up here. If you want to add a cash transaction, the performance button brings up these performance charts here. You're actually able to click on any of these chart images to bring up a full or a larger version. You see summary statistics down the left, your net profit, the starting capital, the returns at cost, and any closed trades here will give win percentages. Your historical entries will appear here, and any current holdings will appear in this part of the window. And if you actually click on the button here, there's a switch between end of day or real-time prices.